Huawei. Who doesn't know this brand? Huawei is now launching its newest gadget with advanced features and a very luxurious and elegant design. Not wanting to be outdone by other brands that have smartphones with high and sophisticated specifications, Huawei has now released its newest product, namely the Huawei Mate X-T Ultimate. Of course, the Huawei Mate X-T Ultimate has high specifications, plus the presence of a triple screen which makes people impressed and amazed when they see this product. And below are the complete specifications of the Huawei Mate X-T Ultimate. Release year. Huawei Mate X-T Ultimate will be released on September 10, 2024. Already supports GSM, CDMA, HSPA, CDMA 2000 LTE, and 5G technology networks. For the body. Huawei Mate X-T Ultimate. It has unfolded body dimensions of 156.7 x 219 x 3.6-4.8 mm, and folded 156.7 by 73.5 by 12.8 mm. Weighs up to 298 grams and supports dual SIM with a special SIM slot. Display. For the screen, the Huawei Mate X-T Ultimate uses a tri-foldable LTPO OLED screen with 1 billion colors. Measuring 10.2 inches, the screen-to-body ratio is 91.9%. With a resolution of 2232 by 3184 pixels and a density of up to 381 pixels per inch. Cover display 1/3 of the main display, 6.4 inches, 1008 by 2232 pixels. Dual display, 2/3 of the main display, 7.9 inches, 2048 by 2232 pixels. Platform. And for its operating system, the Huawei Mate X-T Ultimate uses Harmony OS 4.2 China, with a typical chipset from Huawei, namely Kirin 9010 with 7nm manufacturing. And octa-core CPU, 1x 2.3 GHz Taishan Big and 3x 2.18 GHz Taishan Mid and 4x 1.55 GHz Cortex-A510, equipped with a Maleung 910 GPU. Storage. And for storage capacity, the Huawei Mate X-T Ultimate is equipped with 3 storage capacity variants, including: the first is 16GB RAM and 256GB internal, the second is 16GB RAM and 512GB internal, and the third is 16GB RAM and 1TB internal. And does not support adding external memory such as a micro SD card. Camera. For the main camera, the Huawei Mate X-T Ultimate is equipped with 3 camera lenses, including 50 megapixels, f1.4 f4.0, 24mm wide PDAF, OIS. 12 megapixels, f3.4, 125mm periscope telephoto PDAF, OIS, 5.5x optical zoom. And 12 megapixels, f2.2, 13mm, 120 ultrawide PDAF. With additional features such as laser AF, LED flash, panorama and HDR. With video recording capabilities in 4K, 1080 pixels, Euro ICE, OIS, and HDR. And for the front camera, there is only one camera with an 8 megapixels configuration, f2.2 wide camera. With additional features such as HDR, and video recording capabilities in 4K and 1080 pixels. Sound. For the sound, it uses stereo speakers which will make the experience of listening to music more enjoyable. And it doesn't support a 3.5mm audio jack port, which is one of its drawbacks. Comms. Uses WLAN type Wi-Fi 802.118b per gram NAC6, dual band. The latest Bluetooth version is Bluetooth 5.2, A2DP, LE, L2HC. The latest GPS versions are GPS L1 plus L5 GLONASS L1 BDS B1I plus B1C plus B2A plus B2B Galileo E1 plus E5A plus E5B QZSS L1 plus L5 NAVIC. Supports other features such as NFC SIM, HCE, infrared port support and so on. USB Type-C 3.1, DisplayPort 1.2, OTG. Battery. And for the battery, it has a fairly large battery capacity with Type-C, C5600 mAh, non-removable. And supports fast charging of 66W wired, 50W wireless, 7.5W reverse wireless, 5W reverse wired. Features. Plus it supports several sensor features such as fingerprint side-mounted accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass, barometer, color spectrum BDS satellite calling and message. Price. And the price may change at any time according to available stock and applicable regulatory policies in each country.